How to fix TikTok following glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok following glitch on Android phone. First, open settings and then just go to apps and then apps again, and here we'll find here you need to find TikTok, and then just go to storage, clear cache, and now go back and restart your phone. Just click restart, and then just go to your TikTok and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then storage and click clean up. Now all you need to do, just wait for this one, junk files or cache, and then clean it and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.